Dropshipping is a popular business model. It's great for new entrepreneurs. It's low risk and easy to start. You sell products online without holding inventory. Here's how it works. You list products on your website or marketplace. A customer places an order. You then order that product from a supplier. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You make a profit on the difference between your selling price and the supplier's price. Dropshipping is attractive. You don't need to handle inventory. This reduces overhead costs. You can test different products without risk. You can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. Dropshipping is competitive. You need to find the right products and suppliers. You need to market your products effectively. But with hard work and dedication, dropshipping can be a lucrative business. AliExpress is a global online retail giant. It's based in China. It connects businesses and consumers. It offers millions of products at competitive prices. It's a popular platform for dropshipping. AliExpress has over 100 million active buyers worldwide. It ships to over 200 countries. It offers a wide range of product categories. These include electronics, fashion, home goods, and more. AliExpress is known for its low prices. This is due to its direct connection with manufacturers. This makes it an attractive platform for dropshippers. You can source products at low costs and sell them for a profit. Setting up your dropshipping business with AliExpress is simple. Follow these steps to get started. First, choose a niche. Select a product category that interests you. Research and identify products with high demand and low competition. Next, create an online store. Build a website or create a seller account on platforms like Shopify, Amazon, or eBay. Then find suppliers on AliExpress. Search for products within your chosen niche. Look for suppliers with high ratings and positive reviews. After that, list products on your store. Add product descriptions, images, and pricing to your online store. When a customer places an order, fulfill it by purchasing the product from your AliExpress supplier and providing the customer's shipping address. Finally, provide excellent customer service. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and resolve any issues efficiently. Section 4. Advantages of AliExpress dropshipping. AliExpress offers several advantages for dropshippers. For starters, AliExpress offers products at wholesale prices, allowing for healthy profit margins. Then, there's the millions of products are available across various categories. Another perk is dropshipping eliminates the need for inventory, reducing initial investment. Moreover, AliExpress provides a user-friendly platform for finding products and managing orders. And finally, the AliExpress ships to over 200 countries, expanding your potential customer base. Section 5. Dropshipping success stories. Many entrepreneurs have found success through AliExpress dropshipping. Here are a few inspiring examples. Erwin built a multi-million-dollar dropshipping empire using AliExpress, generating over $1 million in sales in a single day. Then there's Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, created a successful dropshipping business on Shopify, sourcing products from AliExpress. These success stories demonstrate the potential of AliExpress dropshipping. With hard work, dedication, and a strategic approach, you can achieve your entrepreneurial goals. Section 6. Conclusion. Take the leap into dropshipping. Dropshipping with AliExpress offers a low-risk, high-reward opportunity. You can start your own online business. You can achieve financial freedom. Take the first step today. Research your niche. Find profitable products. Build your online store. Don't be afraid to start small. Learn as you grow. With persistence and the right strategies, you can succeed in the exciting world of dropshipping.